Assalamu alaikum, I hope you are doing well. Thank you for your feedback. I hope you are learning a lot from this free training. Many people are asking me to do a video on Amazon Virtual Assistant. Sir, your video is very late. I want to tell you that our videos are 3 times a week. Monday, Wednesday, Friday. The purpose of giving a gap is to not just enjoy watching my video, but to learn to apply it practically. Learn to make notes and go through a lot of things. When your concept is clear, the lectures will be very useful for you. If you haven't heard my previous lectures, then all the lectures will be passed on to you. You will say, "Sir, these are the words." Because I am taking you with me to a common Pakistani who doesn't even know Amazon. He can also learn from this and earn money by working as a virtual assistant. No investment is required to become a virtual assistant. What do you need? Just a skill that I am teaching you free of course on YouTube. Today's topic is very interesting. Many people say that this should be lecture 1. In my opinion, I will teach it quickly. In my opinion, this is a very important thing. We call it account sign up. How to sign up on Amazon. I still remember when it was allowed in the end of May, Amazon said that even Pakistanis can sign up their accounts on their credentials. So every other Pakistani started making accounts on Amazon very quickly. What are the basic requirements for this without knowing? How important is the maintenance of the account? How important is the account health? If our account is disturbed, we violate the policy of Amazon, then our account is suspended. It is not like you have made a WhatsApp account, a Gmail account, a Facebook account. Making is like this. It is very simple. Making an account is not a big science. It is very important to maintain the account. Why do you have to read the policies of Amazon? You have to understand what are the things that you have to keep in mind by signing up your account. So today we will learn how to sign up our accounts on Amazon. First of all, you can get a copy of the pencil. Note down the things you want to sign up on Amazon. Number 1, you should have a mobile number. Active, if there is a message on it, you can receive a code. Number 2, you should have an email address that should be in working condition. You should have a unique address. You should have a statement of your bank account. You should have utility bills that will verify your address. These are the things you will have. There are other things that I will tell you about later. When I talk about bank statements, I hope you have a bank account and a debit card. There are many banks signing up accounts from Pakistan whose debit card accepts Amazon. The debit card is our ATM card. While some banks accept credit cards. If you have a Mizan Bank, a Faisal Bank, or an HBL Bank, I think you can operate your ATM card. The best feedback you have is Faisal Bank and Mizan Bank. We don't have any problems signing up this account. If you have these details, you are ready to sign up your account. First of all, you have the things. You have to decide which market you want to sign up. Which means which region you want to open your shop. I recommend that you start from the USA for Pakistanis. The reason is that there are no complex matters of text there. The most beautiful thing about Amazon USA is that Amazon itself manages text. I am talking about sales text. If you go to Europe region, you enter a complex matter of the word. You have to hire a professional who manages all your text matter on a monthly basis. Why? You have to pay government or text on every sale. If you are in USA or North America, Amazon itself collects your customer's sales text. And then it is required to get the government to sign up on your behalf. You don't have to hire an extra professional. Second advantage is that you can easily sign up your individual account while staying in the US. You have a problem in the European market, you sign up your individual account, but after some time, it will go into verification and it will push you to switch it to a business account. What is a business account? What is an individual account? We have already made a detailed lecture on this. If you have no idea, you have to listen to lecture 1 again. So, this is your choice. You can make it in the US or UK. I am telling you both the feasibilities and requirements. After that, you can make your account. For example, you can start making your account in the US. You have to go to Google and write the Seller Central USA. You will get a link here on Amazon.com and you can click on the link. The easiest way to do this is to go to Google and write Amazon.com Seller Central. You can sign in. I don't have any details. There will be a button at the bottom. You can register as a new seller. You can click on it. As soon as you do this, you will get a form. It will demand different information from you. What information? I have told you. You have your phone number. You have missed one important thing. You should have the chip ID card. If you don't have it, you can use your passport to sign up your account. You have to prove your identity. After that, contact number, email address, bank statement. You will definitely have all these things because you have started signing up your account on Amazon. You have to provide it with your data. You have to understand a little bit further. You will get your deposit method and charge method. What is the deposit method and what is the charge method? You need to understand these two things. The deposit method means that you have to give them bank details where Amazon will send you money when you are selling. Now Pakistan unfortunately is in the list of countries where Amazon does not deposit money directly in your bank account. So what we will do here is that we will need a bank in the middle. You can use Hyperwallet. You can use a Payoneer or a TransferWise. My good experience is with a Payoneer. What will Amazon do? It will send you money in Payoneer. The money will come from Payoneer in your account, whether it is the account of the farmer or the Faisal, which will be your bank account. Now you will ask how to become a Payoneer account. It is very easy. Go to Payoneer.com and write your email address, password and ask details. Your account will sign up. After that you will get a tab of payment receipt. You will go to Global Payments. You will get the option of different countries. If you work in USA, you will click on USA. It will give you the details of USA bank account. You will have to put the details in your deposit method. You will ask how to get money from Payoneer in the account. Similarly, you will come back to Payoneer. And there you will have to link the details of your bank account. When you have the money, you will get credit in Payoneer. You will transfer it from there to your local bank. You can use it through ATM. The next term is charge. Amazon has to charge money from you. It can be in any term. It can be monthly subscription, advertising cost. If you don't have money in your account, you can definitely deduct money from your account. We don't give bank account details. We have to link our credit card or debit card from where you can fetch money automatically. Many Pakistani brothers and sisters come here and we accept our own account. We also accept HBL and Standard Chartered Bank. But when we link them, they don't accept our charge. The biggest reason for that is that many banks don't give you access to online shopping. You have to call their helpline. You have to call them temporarily to activate the card for 2 hours. You have to call them to activate the card for online shopping. You have to call them to activate the card for online shopping. They will activate your online transaction for some time. This is for your security. When you activate your account and you have to give your charge, Amazon will deduct $39.90 from your account. If you don't have money in your account, then your charge won't accept Amazon. There are 2 reasons why your charge doesn't accept Amazon. 1. Your international transactions should be active. 2. Your account should have money. To verify your account, you have to provide documents to Amazon. This is not a problem. You can provide the things you want from Amazon. Usually, they ask for utility bills. Then, you can copy your ID card and identity card from your passport. If you have a chip, then you can accept it. If you don't have a chip, then you can't accept it. Many people provide the things to Amazon, but their account is not verified. The reason for this is that they don't read emails in Amazon's details. Amazon is guiding them. You shouldn't take pictures from your mobile and send them to your account. What should be the format of the picture? How do you scan it? There shouldn't be any blur. There shouldn't be any tampering with it. You shouldn't have done any editing. You should scan your ID card properly while keeping this in mind. You can also scan your passport. Some people choose to scan one page and send it to them. You can also scan the first page and open the entire book. Then, you can scan the first page and then return it, because we have signatures after returning the page. You need to have 2 pages to verify your account. Many people are worried that the bill of electricity or utility bills is not being accepted by Amazon. The easiest way to do this is to go to the franchise and take a monthly bill. If you are using your mobile account on postpaid, then you get an email saying that this is your bill. The bill accepts the PDF form. The bill accepts Amazon. Usually, some people use utility bills. Even if it is on the father's name, it doesn't seem to have an objection. The reason for objection is that you can't scan properly and your document is not readable. But, if your address is not being verified because of the father's name, then the way to do this is that you have to get your mobile number and the bill of the bill is to be sent to you. You can give it to your father. Apart from this, if you have a PTCL and PTCL bill, or PTCL internet, you can convert it to your name. You can also use that to prove your identity. When your identity is proven, then you will be active on Amazon and you can sell it. Many people are asking in this chain that as a virtual assistant, we need an account. You don't need to sign up for any account. The purpose of telling all this is that if you have a client, and he says sign up for an account, then you should at least know how to sign up for an account. What are the requirements for this? I hope you have understood all the systems and how the shop is opened on Amazon. How to sign up for an account. If you have any questions, do ask in the comments section. Take good care of yourself.
Subscribe us.